has the potential to become the #1 tourist destination in the world, with its travel and tourism sector growing at more than 10% per annum. The country currently has over 2 lakh hotel rooms spread across different hotel categories and guest houses. To cater to the surging demand, many hospitality companies are now coming up with new ideas and concepts to give a world-class experience to their customers. Adopting this growing trend is Disha Direct, a real estate company which is into the innovative new concept of second home. Its owner is the young and dynamic entrepreneur Santosh Nayak, himself a veteran in the industry with over 8 years of experience.
So Disha Direct as an organization, we started in 2003 and we ventured into a real estate industry, and we selected second home as a segment to venture into. In last 8 years we have delivered more than 32 projects. We have more than 8,000 happy customers, and keeping this trend of second home and weekend home, we ventured into a hospitality segment which is a leisure industry in the name of Green Earth Leisure Private Limited.
Green Earth Leisure, a subsidiary company on providing a great experience in the leisure and hospitality industry. Their unique Lakeview Resort, spread across an area of over 90 acres near Vikramgarh in Maharashtra, is a complete family resort famed for its luxury service, warm hospitality, modern recreation facilities, party venues as well as business facilities.
So basically Green Earth is a very unique concept. It is a country club, come resort, come holiday. Last 8 years what we have realized is people want to explore nature, they want to go out, nurture their hobbies, spend the quality time with their family. And in city we don't get time or don't get place to explore all these things. So keeping in this mind, we want to explore Green Earth Leisure is the one-stop solution for people staying in metro who could visit our resorts. They can explore the country club environment, the nature, the adventure sports. The whole idea is spending a quality time with your family across the year.
The resort caters to the needs of customers from all age groups. Its unique location near the lake provides a panoramic boating experience to the visitors, who can also avail the exciting array of indoor and outdoor sports facilities that the resort provides. The resort has also arranged for horse riding facilities where people can take a ride in the verdant area of the resort and enjoy the beauty of nature.
When we started Green Earth Leisure, we have in mind to give the best of the services and leisure experience to our customers. So we noted or we jotted down 5 things what we want to give to our customer. The first is the location, which will be the best and unexplored. Second is the hospitality, which is the best Indian hospitality in industry. Third will be the ambience of the resorts. Fourth will be the great food quality. And fifth is the very good recreation facilities, which will include adventure sports and other activities.
At Green Earth, the importance of good food leading to happy customers is never underestimated, with the result that their kitchen offers a wide variety of Indian, Chinese and tandoori dishes that are all made from fresh vegetables only. Their highly experienced chefs go the extra mile to understand the individual tastes of their customers, putting in the right blend of spices to give them the fine dining experience.
ग्रीन अर्थ में हम खाने का मेन ध्यान रखते हैं। यहाँ हम इंडियन, चाइनीज़, साउथ इंडियन तंदूरी डिशें बनाते हैं। गेस्ट के स्वाद को ध्यान में रखते हुए हम उन्हें स्वाद के अनुसार मसालों का उपयोग करते हैं, जिससे उन्हें अच्छा स्वाद मिले।
The resort boasts state-of-the-art rooms designed to provide an aesthetic yet modern experience to its customers. The company also supports green activities as part of its operations, which includes planting trees around its project to give a close-to-nature experience to the customers.
So we understand that the ecology or environment play a very important role. So we have a lot of activities which we do across our project. We plant thousands of trees in our projects across the destination. Then we put lot of things in terms of equipments like sewage treatment plant, solar energy, we put diesel generator. So to save energy, to save environment, a lot of activities we do.
Within the travel and tourism sector, the Indian hospitality industry is one of the fastest growing and most important segments in terms of revenue as well as employment generation. Bearing that in mind, the future for this industry seems to be bright and shining.